welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna help my dad. Me and my dad are gonna fix this vacuum cleaner.
And what's wrong with the vacuum cleaner?
So when it's charging, it's supposed to be blinking orange, but now it's just turned red. It seems like it's not charging.
Yeah.
It's blue. Now it's orange, but it's blinking orange. That's good. That is good that it's charging. But when we pressed it, why did it not charge?
No, it will turn. Yeah. No, it will turn to red.
Huh? What's that mean, Daddy?
It may mean that the battery is not accepting any more charge.
Oh.
So we ordered
So we
spare
ordered
battery on Amazon.
spare.
Well, okay, that nice that box. Not that box.
We
Amazon?
got
No, not that big box. Small box.
the small box. This one. So yeah.
Got it from Amazon.
Yeah. So thanks to Amazon, we got this. I might as well need scissors. Nothing happens, but I
That's
just.
red light. That stays. It's not the right way. Just pull this down.
Oh!
Don't touch the battery. Okay? Pull.
It's really hard there.
Don't pull.
I got my scissors. I'm gonna put them in. Why is it coming out?
So that's the.
Yeah, so now we have to replace the old one with this one.
From Amazon.
There's, yeah. And there's also these kind of wires.
Don't touch it. Yeah.
Okay. But
But we need to open that up.
how are we gonna do that? We
need
will
some
need,
tools.
and I'll just get the tools.
Yeah, this way.
So guys, I got the toolbox, but I don't know what tool to use. This? Ooh, are we supposed to use? Yes, I knew it, but I never
See
know.
that? That's a ellipse. Okay.
Do I need that? Is it like a magnet? Oh, it's a magnet.
Open that up. Counterclockwise, okay? That's right in the middle.
So yeah, it's kind of fun. Whee! Other one. Doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. It's kind of funny.
Is it hard? No.
No. Ooh, there it is. So that's the old battery.
And you do this, okay?
Okay. Me.
Put that up.
Oh, phew.
You need to unpin this, okay?
Alright. I think I'll still need to use this because then we'll also put it back. Ready? Perfect. So that's the old one, and the new one is the other one.
Don't touch it. The new one is here.
That one in the lid. It's so fancy. So we gotta open it up.
We got this from Amazon.
Yeah. And Amazon was the one who got this and help us get the battery. I hope
This
it
solves the
works.
problem, okay?
Yeah. Because if it doesn't, what will happen to our floor? Then we stop sofa?
You do it manually.
Yeah.
You do the same thing.
Or use a broom
Yeah,
if you don't have a stop sofa. That's what we call it. I'm not sure if I called it right. Then like that, and then just push it in, I think. And then where's the lid? Here's the lid. Cover, bubble, lover. Oh, now I need the screws. But then,
turn it clockwise.
okay.
So this
I gotta make sure that
is the old battery.
Then,
And you don't throw this in ordinary garbage bin bags, okay?
yep.
There's a special place for these old batteries.
Well, I do not know where they're what or
In shops,
where.
you can find the recycling bin for old batteries.
Oh, well then we'll have to find that shop and then put it in there.
Is it tight? Not too tight. Well, not too tight. Yes. The plastic will break.
Oh, is that enough? Okay,
Turn
guys.
the switch. Turn the switch. Hope it will work.
Let's
Play
try.
the sound.
Yes, yes, yes. Nice. Is it worth it?
We have an app or phone. Can you sing the phone?
Then
How?
how?
That's this.
Woo!
Ah.
Yeah! Whoa! Yeah! Yes! Yes! No, 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 no.
Oh. See?
It can analyze where it's going. Guys, it's so cool. What's that?
See the orange.
The orange one, it's charging?
Maybe it's not.
Or maybe it's losing its power.
It will.
It sees the crumbs. No, it doesn't.
Get those dirt.
Get those! Get those! Get those! Get those! Please get those!
It's
He doesn't know where
getting
it's.
weaker and weaker.
Doesn't know where it's going.
Yeah, it's going back to his place. Oh, now he's charging.
Well,
See?
he is a smart bot.
Yeah.
He's a real smart one. If it was a dog, I'd just pet him.
I think it's fixed.
It's fixed.
He will try to his place.
That was a good video, guys. But anyways,
So, if you encounter that problem,
then
you
you can
need
just
to replace the batteries.
yeah, and you can just get it from Amazon. So
Let's hope
that
after charging for maybe 5 hours,
5 hours, I
Yeah,
think like
you can clean the floor. Okay?
yeah, I hope he get those dirt, this dirt, and those dirt. So bye, guys. Thank you for watching.
We hope that helps.
Yes, and
Someone's getting trouble with their
with
robot
their
vacuum.
box, then this is the video.
Yeah.
So bye.
Maybe the only problem is the battery. We need to replace, okay?
Yeah. So bye, guys.
Stay safe.
And stay safe and God bless. Bye.